Happy sunny Saturday, everyone, and welcome to week 8 of Writing 111. I'm posting a little bit early this week. Tomorrow, my son is going to ski his first tour of Anchorage, and I think I'm going to be busy supporting him on the road all day long. So I'm posting your assignments today. So this week, the reading is focused on interacting with source material, which we're starting to do in this rhetorical analysis. This is going to become even more important when you get to the research essay, and even more important when you get to your 200 level class. So we expect that you're going to make some mistakes interacting with source material at this level. We expect you to master it when you get to the 200 level. As part of that, I've included these They Say, I Say handout. This is a really great book that I used to require my students to buy, but it's kind of expensive, and I think this set of templates is really the most important part of the book. Keep this as an academic resource, and you will use it throughout the rest of your academic career. Notice that there are patterns that we use when we refer to source material, and these can help you to get there. I also gave you a short handout from Miami University that is about rhetorical analysis that I think can help to answer some of those questions that some of you are still feeling a little bit uncertain about. So this week we're going to engage in the small group workshop. This will take place in the same fashion as the personal narrative small group workshop. Most of you are in similar groups, although some things shifted. So do check who all is in your group and which paper you're going to review. So this needs to be done before class on Wednesday. So between now and Wednesday morning, you should work with the people who are in your group to notice what the writer's doing well, what the writer can improve, what questions you have about rhetorical analysis, and really what makes the paper interesting. I expect you to visit the document a couple times to check in and see what others are saying, and to work together to really identify what's going on in this piece of writing. I've listed your group in here. And again, make sure that you're checking in on this document a couple times between now and before class on Wednesday morning. The other assignment that's due this week is a second source summary and analysis. It's the same assignment you completed last week, but you're going to do it with another source of information. You're coming to this assignment with probably my feedback on your reference this time, so you have a little bit of a better idea on how to get it right. You have to practice with these things over and over again before you really master it. I don't take off points if you have small errors in your citation. I want you to practice it so I can show you how to make it right for when you turn in your final draft. And then really you're just copying and pasting from your assignment into your essay, and that will make finishing it up a lot easier. Next week you will submit a draft, and next week is spring break. After spring break, you will submit to me a draft of your rhetorical analysis. We'll engage in peer review, and then the final draft will be due in week 10. Hope everyone's enjoying the sunshine outside and getting caught up with class work before spring break. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you in class on Wednesday.